Children, in this video I'm going to solve one of the very important question of algebraic expression. Okay, so the question says that if x minus y is equal to 6 and xy is equal to 8, we have to find the value of x square plus y square. Okay, so let's see how to do this. Okay, we have to apply one identity here. Okay, algebraic identity will be applicable here in order to solve this question. Okay, so let's see how to do. So we have x minus y, it's given. Okay, given x minus y is equal to 6. Okay, so we can write it as equation 1. On squaring equation 1 on both sides, we have to square the equation 1. Okay, on both the sides. So it gives x minus y whole square equals 6 whole square. We know that we can apply here the identity by using a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so same will be applicable here. So it will be x square plus y square minus 2xy equals 36, because the square of 6 is 36. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to put the value. What are the given values? Here we have xy equals 8. So in place of xy we are going to put 8. Okay, in this place we are going to put 8. Okay, so it's 36. Now x square plus y square minus 8 to the 16. So it will be minus 16 equals 36. Now we have to get the value of x square plus y square. So x square plus y square, we will keep it on the left side only, and minus 16 will be transferred to the right hand side. Okay, so x square plus y square equals 36 plus 16. Okay, so it will give us, it is 52. Okay, so 36 plus 16 gives 52. So now value of x square plus y square is equal to 52. Hope in the coming exams you will be able to solve this question, and if you are okay with the explanation of mine, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Thank you.